Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping. Park in shade and confirm the surface is 50-80 degrees F so adhesives soften reliably. Once done, heat a corner of the sticker with a hair dryer or low heat gun for 30-60 seconds while moving the heat to avoid damage. You then lift an edge with a plastic razor or fingernail and peel back slowly at about a 45 degrees angle. Do not rush. Steady, even tension prevents residue or paint lift. And make sure to protect trim with tape. You continue by tackling the stubborn adhesive left behind. First, apply an adhesive solvent like Goo Gone or 90% isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber, dabbing and letting it penetrate for 1 to 3 minutes. Then, gently scrape with a plastic razor or nylon pad while keeping the area warm. Reheating briefly helps the solvent work and reduces scraping force. Once the residue lifts, wipe repeatedly with clean microfiber until no tack remains. Make sure to change cloth sections. You finish the job by washing the treated area with car-safe soap, rinsing, and drying thoroughly. This removes solvent residue. Once dry, use a mild polish or clay bar to restore surface smoothness, then apply wax or sealant to protect the clear coat. If you notice any paint lifting or scratches, stop immediately. Temporarily cover the spot with clear tape to prevent rust and consult a professional detailer or body shop. This troubleshooting step preserves value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.